G'day guys, this is Dusty from Davcron. We get calls all the time about how to tune your remote, so we thought we'd do a little short video. Step one, for tuning your remote, we have to gain access to the receiver card. It's just two screws out of the top face. They pop out. The receiver card might need to be wiggled up and down a little bit, but we should be able to get that. With your ignition key in the on position, and the remote out of the cradle, and you can start the tuning process. It's a simple three-step process to tune your remote to your receiver card. Step one, short out your code change pins. If this is successful, the LED will shine. Step two, with all the dip switches in the off position, flick dip switch number 12 on and off quickly. Press and hold the stop button on the remote. Release. The LED should flash 3 times in orange. Once the LED on the receiver card has gone out, the remote will communicate with the receiver card. When you press a button on the remote, the LED on the remote and the receiver card should flash to say you've got good communication.